So we are here again for senior pictures. Wow, the water. It's it's getting dry here. Oh, that's we are taking some more senior pictures here in keeper of the plane. Yeah, see that duck over there? Yeah.
Boy, it's bucking.
Probably that duck is
It's bucking.
yeah.
It's bucking.
That's mommy duck over there.
Oh, mommy, dad.
See that duck over there? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That that duck probably lay some eggs, you know. Oh, there's another duck here.
Like
Probably lay some
like
eggs.
the waterfall is like in the background, you can kind of, it looks like it's in motion in the picture. Is that what you're talking about? Or? It's not really in motion, but you kind of get, you know what I'm thinking they are.
Oh, there's another duck here. Lay some eggs.
Yep.
So we are here at what is that? Chisholm's Creek Park. So it's Great Plains Nature Center. Don't feed the deer.
Where you go, Jay? Grab it, get lost. Grab it, grab it, lost, man.
We taking some senior pictures for my neighbors. Are we turning right or left? Left, left, left. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. This good spot for pictures. See, right here, right here. See. You see the deer, Skylar? Oh, there's little creek over there.
Just in time. Whoa! Be careful, there's water.
Oh, there's duck over there.
Yucky water.
See, what kind of plants is this?
Okay, hey, be careful, baby. You don't want to get hurt. Come here. Watch your head. Don't hit your head. Be careful.
Okay, are we keep going or turn right? Are we turning right? Turning right?
I'm talking to her. I said
Yeah, that's a good spot too for pictures.
No, they're not. Sound good? Honey, we are turning around. He probably is. Look at that. He's all by himself. I'm not by myself. Pick your feet up, Skylar. Skylar, pick your feet up.
Yeah, I have to
Where's the island?
Pond. Welcome to the island pond.